Looking for a tool that combines portability with power? In this video, we're exploring the best pocket chainsaws, perfect for outdoor adventures, survival kits, and quick cutting tasks. Our channel brings you quality reviews daily to help you choose the right products with confidence. Stay tuned, and if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful insights. Number 1. Campdoor 36-inch Pocket Chainsaw. The Campdoor 36-inch Pocket Chainsaw might be the right choice for folks looking to blend quality and affordability. This saw features a chain that Campdoor claims can withstand 4,000 newtons of force, which equates to about 900 pounds force. The blades are made from 65 manganese carbon-fired steel to improve durability. The saw features 48 teeth as well, which allows it to cut both quickly and smoothly. Campdoor also has 2 nylon handles for comfort and strength. It comes with a thick, heavy-duty carrying case with a hook and loop closure and a belt loop to keep it secure and safe while backpacking or working. When we decided to test the Campdoor, we weren't sure what to expect. Its product description includes terms such as tiger claw and bulldozer teeth. We are glad we tried it, since this saw had a noticeably thicker chain than some of the less expensive models, and it cut very well while the teeth remained sharp. Number 2. Sumpry 36-inch Pocket Chainsaw and Firestarter Kit. This pocket chainsaw's affordable price makes it a worthy accessory for mountain bikers, backpackers, and survivalists on a budget. While it might not have a blade matching the high quality of higher-priced models, its heat-treated steel and long chain offer plenty of cutting power. The 36-inch length is easy to use, so this chainsaw is an attractive option for those without lumberjack-like upper body strength. The Sumpry chainsaw's long straps wrap securely around the wrists, providing a secure fit when applying the tension needed for cutting. When the cutting job is complete, the chain fits into a handy nylon carrying bag with a clip that keeps it securely closed during transport. The carrying bag can attach to a belt for easy accessibility while hiking or mountain biking. An all-weather magnesium fire starter is included for burning the cut wood. Number 3. Nordic Pocket Saw Arborist Pocket Chainsaw Kit. When it comes to cutting through wood, limbs, or trees quickly, the Nordic Pocket Saw Arborist Chainsaw Kit can take them down. This pocket chainsaw features a 32-inch chain with teeth on both sides of the chain, pointing in both directions, so this saw can quickly cut through wood in any direction. And since it comes with 2 33-foot straps with buckles, it can cut limbs as high as 26 feet off the ground. This arborist chainsaw comes with several accessories to easily remove tall limbs, including 3 weight bags for throwing over a limb, 2 33-foot straps, 2 extra adjustable nylon handles, a carrying case for the chainsaw, and an additional carrying case for the entire kit. The straps attach to the nylon handles on the saw by clipping onto a tab of fabric inside the handle, providing a strong, secure attachment. Number 4. Sky Ocean Pocket Chainsaw with Paracord Handle. Sky Ocean's innovative chainsaw eschews the nylon handle that most pocket chainsaws have. Instead, it has a paracord handle that doubles as an emergency rope. The handles are stylish and comfortable to hold and help make this one of the more versatile pocket chainsaws on the market. This product is unique because the handle can be untied and unraveled into a 23-foot emergency rope, one that is strong enough to hold up to 220 pounds. This pocket chainsaw has 36 inches of cutting length and 16 heat-treated steel cutting links that cut in both directions. A nylon carrying case keeps the tool secure during transport. At just over 5 ounces, a third pound, this lightweight chainsaw is easy to stow in a backpack or even in a cargo pocket. We're not huge fans of paracord, since that phase phased out about 15 years ago. However, we're not going to argue that these handles were by far the most comfortable to use in the group. Number 5. Yokepo Pocket Chainsaw Survival Kit. At just 24 inches long, this hand chainsaw from Yokepo might be shorter than most of its competitors, but it packs a lot of bite. It has 33 large serrated cutting teeth, which is more than twice the number of cutting teeth that most longer models have. Plus, those teeth are strong. They are made of high-carbon steel that scores a 65 on the Rockwell hardness scale. You can wrap the saw's wide nylon handles around your wrists for added leverage or hold them in your hands for more control. This pocket chainsaw, which weighs about 7 ounces, less than half pound, comes with a paracord bracelet that has a built-in fire starter and an emergency whistle. We did not think we were going to like the Yokepo pocket chainsaw. It just looked too short to be of any use. However, we're glad we tested this little saw because it's worth carrying. First, the 33 teeth allow it to cut aggressively.